famous AK-47. It's a beautiful gun. Everybody knows this gun. Everybody's seen it. I know I seen it when I was young. This is the first gun I probably saw when I was about 10, 12, drawing AKs, being a bad little kid. Hey, but this gun is an amazing gun. Not a lot of people like this gun, but I'm a big fan. And as a Mexican, you hear this thing everywhere. Shit, it's famous for having that Cuerno Chivo look. And for my folks that don't speak Spanish, Cuerno Chivo means goat horn. And if you know anything, we got a huevo de chivo right here, aka goat egg. I'm not gonna go into detail on what that means, but I mean, let me not keep y'all waiting, and let's blow some rounds. Clear. All right, safe. All right, we're going hot. Let's take some shots. Let's see if we can take out one of these little 2 liters. Damn! There you go. He ain't dead yet. Oh, I missed. There he is. Alright, let's see one of those red plates in the back. Oh, I can't hit it. Oh, let's see this one right here in the front. There you go. Let's see another 2 liters. Ooh, that one got clapped. Man, let me finish him off. Hell yeah. All right, let's get the one on the top right. Let's see if I still got it. Oh, I can't hit it. Oh. Oh. All right, let's try this front one. There he is. Maybe the back one? No. All right, we're clear. Hey man, a lot of people may not like this gun, but it is so damn fun. Man, this thing is awesome. I don't know what else to say. In Mexican culture, shit, we be seeing this gun all the time. They be singing about it. Cuerno Chivo this, Cuerno Chivo that. What, the 2 liters? That little 2 liter leaking? Damn, we need to finish it up? All right. Let me get my boy in here to take some shots. Come on here. It's my tocayo Cien. Come on, get in here. Let's take some shots. Get it, get it, get it. Let me see you get it. Let me see you get it. Let's see you get it. Let's see you get it.
Oh, man, pura falladera.
Ready?
Get it.
Make sure, yeah, let's go. Hell yeah. We got clapped. Oh, he dead. Oh, that was a nice shot. Oh, that was another nice shot. That plate turned yellow. That's how hard he hit.
See if I can flip it back over on the other side.
Flip it back. Oh, you almost had it. Close. Nice. Woo! Alright, let's make sure this whole clear. Hey, Dan, he hit that 2 liters so hard he turned red to yellow. He was dead. But hey, this thing is awesome. I don't know what else to say about it. I mean, I got the drum mag too. I think we're gonna save this one for the end. Do a little mag dump with that one. But I got this one. It's a Palmetto State Armory. It's a Romanian AK. This one, if you notice, it has the dong, ding dong, and yeah, this thing's awesome. I think they bring these parts in, and then they just Palmetto State Armory makes their own receiver, and I think the barrel, and they get the Romanian parts. But let me take another couple of shots with this. Let's empty another mag. This one's a little. I got some new mags, so we're testing them out right now as we do the video. So let's see what they do. Okay. Damn, he got stuck. Got him again. He leaking. He leaking. He leaking. How is he still alive? There you go. Okay, I think now he's dead. Let's see the one on the right. Oh yeah, he leaked. I don't think I hit him. Did I get him? I think I got him, right? Pretty sure I did. Man, I am in love with this thing. This is an awesome gun. And it wasn't that expensive. It's actually pretty good price. I don't think they have any more available, but man, this thing is definitely worth the money. This thing is insane. You want to take some more shots?
Go ahead, go ahead.
You want me to go ahead?
Show them what you got.
Sure. This thing
Make
is
one
sick.
of them little targets thing.
Which one?
The ones right here in front.
Oh, we're gonna
Make it down.
the ones in the front right here? Oh yeah. Let's get that 2-liter off. I guess he's dead already. Oh, I got no more 2 liters? Dang. Alright. Let's try the red plates in the back. There you go. There's one hiding back there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him. There's a tree in my way. I think I got him. Alright. Throw a little splash in there for you. Yeah, man, this thing is big. Yeah, I got a couple mags here, Romanian mags to go along with this rifle, and I'm testing them out. Some of them were kind of raggedy. Some of them were kind of beat up. Some of them were a little too rusty, but I mean, they seem to be working, so maybe one of these days I'll have to do a torture test and dump them in the water and pull them out, see how good they do. But you want to take some more shots, or you trying to let me take care of this a little bit more?
We'll take a couple
Go
more
ahead.
shots.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Show them what EFT taught you.
EFT?
Show them what Escape from Tarkov taught you. That's a little one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man down, man down. Good
Boy,
shot,
oh
good
boy.
shots. This thing's heating up. I might have to cook some huevos on there. Unos huevitos con chile, okay. Might have to cook it on there, right? But man, this thing is an amazing rifle. Super fun to shoot, obviously, as you can see. I don't know what more to say about it other than as a... Oh, you trying to get the drum in there? You trying to get the drum in there? We might be able to get the drum in there. Let me save that one for a little bit later. But yeah, man, for the price that I got this thing, AKs used to be a lot cheaper. From my understanding, I wasn't able to buy rifles back then, but this one I got it for a pretty good price compared to other ones that I've seen, and I am in love with this thing. The wood on it is just, it just looks insane to me. As a Mexican who likes leather and you know, wearing some cowboy hats and all that, having wood furniture on this AK is pretty nice. But why don't we finish off the video by doing a 75 round mag dump. But before I do that, let me go ahead and mention to you guys how blessed I am to be out here and be able to shoot at this property. Thankfully for the people who let me come out here and to have a range like this. I know a lot of people aren't fortunate enough to be able to go out to their own range and actually, you know, mess with the firearms and do what they got to do, you know, have some fun. We're just coming out here and having fun. It's not, you know, we're not out here sport shooting. We're not doing, you know, nothing crazy. We're just out here having fun. And a lot of men understand that. But I just want to say how fortunate I am to be out here, you know, to be able to have these beautiful weapons and be able to shoot them out here, you know, having fun, you know, just doing what we do. But with that being said, like, subscribe, comment, give me suggestions in the comments of what y'all want to see. I just started making YouTube videos, you know, we're out here, we're doing what we got to do. But let's finish it off with the drum mag dump. Hopefully it don't bust on me. Uh-oh. There we go. All right, should we do it down in the water or what do you think? What do you think, CM?
A little bit of everything.
In the water?
A little bit of
Let's do a little bit of everything. Let's get the water in there. Let's get a plate. Beautiful. Appreciate it, boys.